Yeah, YouTube, what I say? Police just a pass me, man, touch up the camera. Hey, YouTube, easy again. You know what I say? Some little few that go on the internet and eject myself in it. Alright, I'm show nothing right now. Jah Cure, you remember Jah Cure come out and say all selector go suck on the mother because right now $1,000 for the dub. So now I say, alright, Mataran jump up on Richie Feelings. Richie Feelings they say nothing too bad, but one time he make a little speech like he want to say people to stop there. But some little underprivileged selector now. Because even Mataran, you know, Mataran now own a sound system in that. A laptop them and they walk with a thumb drive and this. So now I say, well, if he build a sound now, we don't know still, but we never know Mataran of owning a sound. So now I say, and so little selector boy now, me don't know, me not even know them from Adams, no way. So now I say, I don't know them from Adams, no way, bro. Jump up, put up computer. Put up computer so them a black bumper ass. What is some bad man? You could have run up in the back of the trailer and put up computer and pull up a whole of Jah Cure music them and delete them. What a fool blood clot like that. My brother they don't have no sense. And more one of them do it, you know, they don't have no blood clot sense because when you check it out, I'm sure nothing. Jah Cure a big international celebrity. So now I say, Jah Cure a big international celebrity. Jah Cure I make money from overseas. So now I say, overseas. Europe, China and them place there. Africa and them place there. Crazy money. So now I say, you with a little selector from Jamaica now. We're not even getting no whole heap of foreign tour. You go jump up, say and delete people song. And the people them love blood clot Jah Cure. I remember I say Jah Cure boss. Jah Cure have some song out, but they never used to surface. I may have one, my brother will have one cassette with Jah Cure and Jamie, some first time song. And then he go to prison right there. So me I say, and at the end of the day, Jah Cure then a prison and one offense. I said, behind this prison wall, it's me I say, and it's a longing for and them big tune there. And boss, big time. The selector them now throw the man in a prison. Then go and say, and them boss Jah Cure and this and that. I'm telling you something. You see, on a bumper clock, bad man and corrupt. So me I say, because on a selector, anything you want to see hype, when you can jump up and say, you first play, that is the only time on a bust it through. You see me I say, and Jah Cure is a very good singer. And them the notes that one man catch behind the prison wall. Every bumper ass class selector go on play that. Every bumper ass class selector. So I look here Mataran, he asked apology, Jah Cure apologized and he still come back on social. You see that brother there? I think Mataran have a mental blood clot problem. You see me I say? He have a mental problem, man. The mother's blood clot, Mataran. And him still they burn out Jah Cure. He still a burn out Jah Cure now. And I end that day. When I jump up and I talk about how to play on Jah Cure and this and that, and a blood clot fool. Because if you don't go out and dance, and the people them ask the Jah Cure you can't find one, pussy well you not get back, no more dance to keep this up. Then I hire you again. And in that day, this is one other thing I have to tell you now. So now fool. This is one other thing I want to tell you. If dance all mash up you now, and people don't keep no more dance, no more party, people just a little song and then yeah. Uno selector and have no more blood clot work. And don't have no royalty for get. And we artists them will continue to get the royalty because music go they sell said way. So Uno is a fucking fool. And so I say, Uno, they jump up and they talk about say, suck on the mother, and so everybody will tell me suck on the mother. And it come like it's an anthem in Jamaica right now. Everybody they say suck mother. And if the man say, suck on the mother, you see what I say? You don't go and ban the man, you don't want to shut down the man career. You don't can't blood clot shut down the man career. Because the man out there. Everybody a demand the man out there. Jamaica is just a little that. And you don't buy throne. See that the same thing what cause the problem is because people want free, cheap dub and free job. Jamaican. And no foreign people man at all. You know Jamaican. So you feel easy on the blood class self, man, all matter on, you feel easy yourself. You see me I say, you can't stop it, man. You hear a man say, man, you invest some millions in a blood clot farming. And you don't know, so when you go in a farming, you can't lose. You see me I say, yeah, I want to run up and down for a son and a cuss bad word. And every day matter on the pan blood clot, IG, live, I talk about suck your mother. Up to today, me I watch him for live, I tell somebody to suck their mother. So oh you want man to apologize. Me say Jah Cure shouldn't apologize, Bridget. And the reason why make Jah Cure apologize is you when you talk. That's why I apologize to you. And I write, you know, do not public nothing. You write it to you, make you see. So he might tell you, say, yo, and then you may not talk. You see me, I say? But you see, you know, fuck Bridget. You know, bumbo class selector. But if you come off the internet with that now and find something else, man, bumbo class. Every day on the on the same thing, Bridget. Find something else, man. I know more things than we talk about. Educate you them about something conscious. See me, I say? I love Jah Cure alone. Jah Cure are the biggest thing right now. Big up Jah Cure. See me, I say? Yeah. Jah Cure can't flap. And who know I go flap? That me say. Easy, I'm out. Like and share and subscribe, yeah, man. Yeah, man, I'm out.